Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've partnered up with FabFitFun once again to bring you their winter box. I'm so excited. I love FabFitFun. They have such wonderful products inside. So let me tell you a little bit about FabFitFun in case you don't know. It's a seasonal subscription box, which means you get it 4 times a year. And the cost of the box is $49.99, but it has a value well over $200 in each box. And I like it for a lot of different reasons. Several of the reasons I could come up with really easy. The first reason is that you get full-size products, and they're from really good brands, and FabFitFun has their pulse like on what's trending. So if you want to stay ahead of the game or right with everyone, this is a good way to try out items to see if you like it. And another thing, one of my viewers mentioned that they like to buy this box and then divvy it up for Christmas presents, which I think is a wonderful idea because every time I get my box, I feel like it's Christmas. I love getting presents in the mail. So, and then also FabFitFun sponsors a lot of philanthropic causes, and I like that. And they also help support women who are founding companies, and I think that's important as women. And this box is all about in support of the Kindness Factory. And this lady who founded the Kindness Factory played cricket for Australia, and she broke her back. And a lot of things happened after that. Her partner died. It was just really horrible. And she noticed that what pulled her through was kindness. So what she is doing is she's trying to get 1 million acts of kindness. And she says, and it's true, you know, you can take time to just, like she says, put down the cell phone just to be present with a loved one, or open a door for somebody, or just say a nice word. It really doesn't take a lot. So I'm all about that too. So let's look at the box. I always like to look at the box. I think it's so pretty. And you know, you can use these boxes even to store things in. Okay, so let's get inside. I did take a sneak peek. Let me put this down just a little bit so you can see. Okay, and then this is what the inside looks like. It just looks cold. And then you always get a pamphlet, and it tells you about the items in the box, how much they retail for, how to use the item, and the charity they're supporting for that particular box. Okay, so let's get in here and take a peek of what's in this box. I'm so excited. I did take a sneak peek, like I said, but it always has it sealed with something really pretty, and this just looked like a big snowflake to me. Okay, let's see. Okay, now this is in no particular order. Okay, the first thing that they've put in here, which I think is awesome, I've never tried HelloFresh, but I've seen videos about it, and it looks very interesting. But you get $60 gift card for HelloFresh, so I think that's really good. And then you get $10 off your first FabFitFun box, which you can give to a friend so they can try it out. Now, I have a coupon code that I'll put in the description box below, which is Magnolia. That will give you $10 off your first box. So I think it's a win-win, okay? So let's see. Okay, the first thing I see on top is bear paw. So, okay, and FabFitFun allows you to customize your boxes somewhat now. So you could either have gotten this bear paw or the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. And I'm glad I have this. It doesn't get that cold here, but sometimes it does. And I just love anything that looks cold. Oh, this is awesome. Let me open this up and show you. You get, it's a combo set. You get a headband and a pop-top glove duo. Is that not the cutest? And it's so soft. It says slip on the ultra soft 100% polyester Sherpa lining headband and fingerless gloves to beat the winter chill all season. And in this magazine they show you how to style this. And these are retailed at $45, so you almost have the box paid for with this first little gift. And I think these are adorable. Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. And then you can take this and put it over your fingers if you want. I love this. Oh, I'm so excited. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, we'll put this right here. We are off to a good start. Okay, and then the next thing I see is the black eye mask hyaluronic acid. Ooh, this is good. All right, you can get this. You could have ordered this. It's a hydrogel eye mask with, like I said, hyaluronic acid in it. It says it's your under eye areas puffy or swollen, detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. And this retails at $29. So I'll open this and we'll just see what they look like. I won't take them out, but I am having some puffiness, especially this time of year. Trying to get so many things done. I don't think I'm quite sleeping like I should. Oh, okay. They look like this, and you can see all that goodness in there to put around your eyes. That's awesome. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's good. And like I said, these would make great gifts. Okay, then Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. I love Ahava products. I have bought them on my own. Okay, let's see. This Ahava Hydration Cream Mask is enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. It says this rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. And this is valued at $33. And everything they have always smells so good. So let's take a peek at this. And it comes out like all their products. It's really creamy. That smells like you've been to a salon. I love that. My hands need all the hyaluronic acid they can get. All right, let's see what else they have. Okay, right here from Mark and Graham, personalized gifts. You could either have gotten this in the gray and ivory or natural ivory. So I think I got the natural ivory. So let's take a peek here. And it says, Mark and Graham Collar Block Throw. Cozy up with this woven throw, which features a stripe design and a cool fringe detailing. And this is valued at $49. Oh, I think this is so pretty. And you know, you could just use this like as a shawl. I think it's beautiful. I got the gray and ivory. I love it. I mean, look at this. You could really just throw it around you like this, and it is so soft and cozy. I love this. I'll let you see it. It's just like so soft. I love it. Okay, well, I'm gonna be warm. It did get down to 37 last night here, so I'm glad about that. Okay, the next thing I see in here is the Elevate 2 Essential Oils. So this, you could have either gotten this or the Anthropology X Mercy and Company Sea Whip Body Cream. But I got this, which I really like. It says Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set. Sweet orange and eucalyptus oil are the scents in here. It says, unlike typical essential oils, these oils can be applied directly onto the skin. That's nice. I like that. That's a good thing. And it says eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, which everybody's going to start getting a cold down here since it's getting cooler. And sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. And you can also put these in the diffuser. So these are valued at $31. I love this. I'll let you see them. This is the sweet orange. Oh, that smells really good. That really does smell good. And then the eucalyptus. Here that is. That smells good too. All right, I'm loving everything so far in my box. All right, and then the next thing I have is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. It says infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil. This silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes, and this is $24. And it says, it always gives you a tip. It says highlight the inner corners of your eyes for a brightening effect. Okay, let's see what this looks like. That's how it comes, like that. Oh wow, I love that color. It seems so dark here today. I hope you can see it. Oh, it definitely highlights. It's right here. In person you can really see it. It's picking up a little bit. That would just be a beautiful little highlight. I love that. I'm going to get a lot of use. Oh, you can definitely pick this up. You know, I think you might even be able to use it as a highlight on your cheeks just because of how it looks. I love it. Okay, and then I have from Bite Beauty. I've never tried any of their products. I'm really excited to try it out. I have their Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue, and it says it's a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear, and it's valued at $25. Okay, and they tell you to always exfoliate your lips before you put on your lipstick, which I do. I use a little e.l.f. Exfoliator that I got at Walmart. It's very inexpensive, and you just rub it on, and it really makes your lipstick look good. Now, this is how it comes. I think that is just so sleek and pretty. Oh, I'm going to love that shade. Absolutely love it. Okay, let's see. Oh my, look at that. That is gorgeous. This is going to be my new favorite shade. I love it. And it feels really creamy. Oh, I love that. Okay, and then I see a Jade Roller in here, okay? Now, you could have either gotten this or Pure Be Your Selfie palette or the richer, poorer, Rena over the knee textured sock, but I got this. It's a Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller. And it says it's no wonder this anti-aging beauty tool has been used by empresses for centuries. This Jade Roller helps stimulate energy and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation, and it's valued at $45. Well, I need all that I can get, so let's look. I just love it. I mean, you get to try brands that you normally wouldn't have tried. Oh, it's weighty too. This is what that looks like. Oh, it feels good. It feels really cool. You can use this little tip for around your eyes, like in your smaller places. Oh, I love this. Okay, and then looks like my last item is H. Halston Jewelry Portfolio. Okay, it's valued at $48. So let's open this and see. It says, keep your jewelry tangle-free in this large zip-around portfolio. Has 3 organizational sections to fit rings, bracelets, necklaces, and more. Look at that, how sleek that is. It wouldn't take up much room in your suitcase at all. I love it, and I love that pretty champagne gold. And this is a nice zipper. It doesn't feel like it would break or anything. So let's look at this. Oh, and this is the inside. You could unzip this and put your rings or anything, and then you can put your earrings in here. And this just snaps. You can put your earrings right through these little holes, and then you could hang bracelets over here. You could even hang your necklaces over there. And then this is really soft, so it divides it and your jewelry doesn't get scratched. And then here is more places for necklaces or bracelets. And then here's another compartment that you could put something else down in here. Oh, I love this. I could have used this when we evacuated for the hurricane. So I've really enjoyed all my goodies from FabFitFun. And like I said, I have a coupon, which is Magnolia, and I'll put it in the description box below, that'll give you $10 off your first box. But I think you'd really like it. And like I said, it would make great gift for Christmas or anytime, birthdays, anything. So I'd like to thank FabFitFun once again for sponsoring with me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.